Delighted Wisconsin Ford Dealers presents Country USA at Oshkosh, featuring Brad Paisley, Keith Urban, Sugarland, the Band Perry, plus Clay Walker, Sawyer Brown, Tracy Lawrence, John Michael Montgomery, Eli Young Band, and Thompson Square. The biggest talent lineup ever. A $2 million main stage lineup. To turn it on. The Maximum Country and Camping Festival, June 19th through 23rd. Country USA at Oshkosh. 5 big days of non-stop party featuring America's lowest festival ticket price. Check it out at CountryUSAOshkosh.com. Be there for Country USA at Oshkosh. Brought to you by Miller Lite and Wisconsin Ford Dealers.
Save big and advance discount tickets right now. Get all 5 days for $89. That's right, all 5 days for $89. Hurry, this offer ends next week. Charge by phone or go to CountryUSAOshkosh.com.
Soybeans are lower. Corn, cattle, and hogs are all trading some degree of mixed. I'm John Perkins with a Brownfield Market Update. This program has been brought to you by DuPont Prequel Herbicide for Corn. Get your corn off to the best start with Prequel Herbicide. In the soybean pit, contracts continue to trade basically weak on technical and fund selling, along with at least a little bit of outside market influence. Now, the dollar index is mixed, mostly weak at this time, but the Dow and crude oil are lower, and in general, the broader market continues to keep an eye on both Greece and Iran. Past that, China did buy 175,000 tons of new crop U.S. beans today, but that's considered old news following last week's trade agreement. March beans are down 3 1/4, 1267 3/4. July's at 1282 1/2, 2 1/2 lower. In the corn pit, contracts are mixed in consolidation trade. Now, in the nearbys, there is continued commercial demand, and Japan's purchased 1.8 million tons of U.S. corn over the last couple of weeks. However, at this point, the trade does expect a significant year-to-year increase in U.S. acreage. March corn's up 4 at 633 1/2. July's at 640 1/4, 2 3/4 higher. And the wheat complex is mostly higher, with Chicago and Kansas City both seeing some short covering today. There's no real fresh news, though, and the overall fundamental outlook is bearish, especially on that world supply side. March Chicago's at 637 1/2, up 4 1/2, and March Kansas City's now 5 higher at 682. Over at the Merc, live and feeder cattle are mixed on outside market direction, and traders waiting for cash business to get better defined. Box beef at midday was sharply higher, and direct cash cattle markets remain pretty quiet at this hour, but packer inquiry has improved a bit. February live is up 65 at 129.55. April's at 131.30, up 17. March feeders are down 15 at 158.45. And hogs are mixed on the mostly steady cash against the recent slow product demand. April's up 77 at 90.60. June's now 85 cents higher at $100.20. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down about 15. John